Hi, this is Ziwei Key from Group C. Today I'm going to talk about the SFO optimization plan of our group. SFO is a transparent organization dedicated to serving our local community as well as millions of travelers who pass through the doors each year. We summarize three key important contexts here. The first one is SFO currently is facing strong competition between 5 airports nearby. The second one is offering a variety of access to infrastructures and services that facilitate air transport become essential in the airports industry. The third one is a higher satisfaction on customer experience are the key measurement of SFO airport success. So then is the goal of the SFO airport. The first one is to be the rank number one by passenger as an international airport. Second one to be the first choice of the premium customers. The third one is to improve facilities and service based on the customer's passion. Then after analyze the contents, we create three frame questions. The first one is where should SFO focus more on to increase the overall satisfaction rate of the airport. The second one is according to customer feedback, what kind of service need to get improved comparing from the year 2015 to 2017. The last one is SFO premium and potential premium customer willing to recommend SFO to their friends? If not, what's the reason and why? For the vision part, we will use descriptive statistics to acquire basic information we need, and then we will use numerical table to find the subsequence and importance of each factors. We also will use the logistics regression analysis and clusters to find the relationship between the data. Then we're going to point out the insight and give the solution. For the first frame questions, which factors are affecting the passenger satisfactions most based on the service of SFO? For these questions, we focused on the question 7. We wanted to find the relationship between different areas satisfaction and the whole satisfaction. So we used the fit model and multivariable linear regression model to find the relationship between them. In the predictive formula Q70, we use the questions which p-value is less than 0.05 and use this area to find the relationship between the overall satisfactions. We only need to include the outdoor and exhibition, restaurant, signs, and direction inside SFO, information on screens, Wi-Fi, airport, parking facilities, and roads. Then we come out of result is the airport parking facilities, restaurant, artwork, and exhibition are the most efficiency element which can affect the overall satisfaction. So what the SFO need to do right now is to add more parking spot and improve the parking facilities, offer a wider selection of restaurant, or offer more choice of the cheap food and drinks, or they maybe can integrate art as part of the art airport design. This may not as easy as the last three actions. For the second frame questions, we want to know how people feel and describe different service in the airport from 2015 to 2017. Firstly, we changed the QA data type from continuous to nominal and use the distribution to see which description most conform to customers' feeling. According to the data, we found that people are not satisfaction with the food sections. The result is that more than 105 people feels that the SFO airport should offer a wider selection of restaurants, and 56 people feel the price for the food is expensive. There were 103 people feels that the SFO should have more restaurants, and 27 people hope the SFO can offer cheaper option for the food. More than 100 people think that the airport should add more walkable charger stations and plugs so that people can find and use it easier. So what the airport should do here is to offer a wider selection of the restaurant, offer more choice of the cheap food and drinks, add more walkable charging stations and plugs, providing more and clearer sign and info boards in the airport. For the third frame questions, we first use a cluster to find different value customer for the SFO airport. The cluster one, which is in red, is high value customers, also called premium customers. Their high household income and high fly miles. The cluster 2 is low value customer with low household income, low fly miles, which is in green. Cluster 3 is the potential high value customer, which is in purple. They have high household income and low fly miles. We divided question 16. Question 16 is how likely people will recommend the SFO airport to their friends into two categories. First, represent a high likely recommended. 0 represent not likely recommended. After the data cleaning, we use logistics with the different value of the customers and find the prediction of how likely people will recommend the SFO airport to their friends. Once we get the predicted number, we use it and the data from the service and to calculate the error of it. The error of whether SFO premium and potential premium customers will recommend SFO are huge. The former one is 47% and the last one is 46.7%, and both more than the SFO low value customers. Especially for the high value customers, the error is 47%, and this is the highest error among the three clusters. The result is that for the high value customers, the information booth in the low level and Wi-Fi are the elements that they feel most satisfaction. And the result also shows that the SFO premium and potential premium customers are not highly recommended SFO to their friends. To improve the experience of the premium and potential premium customers, the airport should improve the performance of the information booth downstairs, and they also have to increase the Wi-Fi speed and overall wireless quality. Last but not least, for the conclusion part, in order to rank the #1 as an international gateway airport and the airport of choice for the premium passengers, we give 4 recommendations. The first one is that we recommend SFO to enhance customer satisfaction by improving the parking facilities and the restaurant. The second is that the SFO should take customers' complaints seriously and provide appropriate solutions for all kinds of problems. The third one is for SFO's premium customers. It is recommended to improve the performance of the information booth downstairs and the Wi-Fi. The last one is for SFO's potential premium customers. It is recommended to provide better option of the restaurant. Here's all about our project. Thank you for listening.